how to add a Google Drive PDF document scan shortcut to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, go down and tap on Widgets. From here, we go down and then tap on Drive. Then touch and hold on the Drive scan and drop it to your home screen. Now in here, select a folder. So you can choose to upload to My Drive, Computers, or Share with Me, or Star. So say we're going to choose to upload to My Drive, and then in here, select a folder that you want to save it to. So if you want, you can also tap on the Add button here to create a new folder. So here I can say PDF, scan, document. And then tap on create folder, and then tap on select. So I'll select this folder. So here you can see it's a PDF scan document. So whenever you want to quickly scan a PDF document, just tap on it, and then that will open. Then place your camera there, and then tap on capture, and then tap on done. And that's it. Here you can choose to save as a PDF document or as a JPEG. A default PDF scan documents has been set as the location. Here you can change it by tapping on a drop down and select a different folder if you wanted to. And then tap on save, and that will be uploaded to your Google Drive folder. And that's it. Fairly easy. Just tap on it, and now you're ready to scan the document. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.